In this video, I'm going to show you how to set profile picture on Pinterest. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Pinterest app and then right here tap at this little person's icon to open up your profile page. Then tap right there at the top at that big circle icon. It moves you to that screen where you have to tap at Update Profile Picture. Just tap on that. It moves you to your camera roll, and from here you can select any picture, let it be that one. Now here you can crop it, or if you want you can scale this image in that way, and then just tap on choose, and now you can hit at that cross icon to move out of here. And as you can see, I have just set new profile picture to my Pinterest profile. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.